How to post horizontal videos in TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up TikTok on a device. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now simply tap on the photo icon at the bottom right corner. Now select the horizontal video. Now tap on next. Now simply tap on the edit icon. Now if you want to add text, simply tap on text. Now type your text and tap on next. Now make sure to select the text and position it at the center of the screen. Now once you're done, simply tap on next at the top right corner. Now tap on post at the bottom right corner and click on post video. Now once you post the video, you will get an option for full screen. Simply tap on it to watch the video in the full screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.